In this video, we will understand the concept of mean, median and mode. Now, mean, median and mode are the ways to find average of any given data. Mean being the most accurate one, median being a little lesser accurate, and mode being the least accurate way of finding the average. In this video, first we'll start with the ungrouped data. So for ungrouped data, mean, which we denote by x bar, is equal to sum of all observations upon number of observations. Now let us understand one important property of mean, that is sum of x minus x bar is equal to 0. It means when we subtract these numbers individually from the mean of these numbers and we add them up, we get the answer as 0. Let's check that one. So first let's find the x bar or the mean here. That is sum of all observations, which is 2 plus 4 plus this is 10, 20 and 30. 30 by 5, which is equal to 6. So 6 is my x bar here. So let's just take your x minus x bar. X is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now x bar here is 6. So we will subtract everything by 6 individually. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. This is 2 and this is 4. So if we add all of them, we get the answer as 0. So this is how we can prove this identity or the formula, whatever you call it. So this is summation of x minus x bar is equal to 0. There is one more interesting property, that is if we add any number to all the observations. So whenever we find the new mean, in that new mean, the number will also be added here. Let's just check that. So if I add, let's say 2 to each number, so this will become 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let's just find the new x bar. So that will be equal to 4 plus 6 is 10, 20, 30. So this is 40 upon 5, which is equal to 8. Now because we added to each of the observations, the mean got also increased by 2, the same number which we added. The same thing applies for multiplication, division, subtraction also. So these are the properties of mean. Now let us understand the concept of median. So median, as I said, is an approximate way of finding the average. So for median it is very important first thing. So step 1 is you have to arrange the given data in the ascending or descending order. That is the first criteria. So whenever you are given a data, you are supposed to first arrange it in the ascending or descending order. Now, depending on the number of terms, we have to apply the formula. So in case the number of terms in median, the number of terms are odd. That is, the number of terms can be 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers. So if the number of terms are odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. We'll understand this more clearly when we take the example. So for now, you understand the formula that if I have n number of terms, then n plus 1 by 2th term is my median. In case the number of terms are even, that is, the number of terms can be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, whatever it is. So if it is even, then median is the average of n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. So this is how you can calculate the median of the given data depending on number of terms. Let's just take one example here. So let's say we have some random numbers 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 7, 2. Okay, so let's just, first step is to arrange the numbers in the ascending or descending order. So let's just arrange them in the ascending order first. So it will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right now the number of terms are odd. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is odd. So median will be equal to n plus 1 by 2th term, that is 7 plus 1, 8 by 2th term, which is equal to 4th term. Now understand, 4 is not the median, 4th term is the median. So 4th term will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 2. Here, for this given data, the median will be equal to 2. If you want to do it, cross-check it in another way, what you can do is you can just arrange them in the ascending order or descending order and start striking the numbers from the ends. Like we strike this, then we strike this, then we strike this. So whatever is left is my median. If you have even number of terms, arrange them in the ascending order and take the average of the middle two terms. That way you can find the median for the number of terms are, for example, odd here or even here in that case. So you can just use any of the formula, then you can find the answer. Now let us say a question to understand this concept better. So we have taken a question that find the mean and median of all the positive factors of 72. So first we'll list down the factors of 72. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. So basically in which all table 72 occur, we have to write all those numbers. So now we do the mean part first, that is sum of all the observations. So when we add them up, we get 195. And we have 12 observations here, so when we divide, the mean comes out at 16.25. Let's find the median now. So now because we have 12 observations, n is equal to 12. It means number of terms are even. So for even terms, the formula is median is equal to 1 by 2 into n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. Here 1 by 2. Now what is n by 2th term? N by 2, that is 12 by 2, which is 6th term plus 12 by 2, which is 6 plus 1 or 7th term. So 6th and 7th term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your 6th term. This is the 7th term. So 8 plus 9 by 2, which is equal to 8.5. So the median is 8.5 and the mean is 16.25. Now the simplest topic is mode. So mode is the number which occurs the maximum number of times is the mode of the given data. So for example, if we have terms 2, 4, 7, 2, 2, 8, 5. Now here we don't need to arrange them in any ascending or descending order. We simply pick up what is the number, which term is appearing the most of the times. So here it is 2 is appearing the maximum number of times. So the mode is equal to 2. This is the most simple way to find the mode, that is just count which term is occurring the most of the time, that will be the mode. In the same way, you can solve more questions from the textbooks and the reference books.